You can zoom out to the daily. So yeah, this was pretty much this week right here.
Yeah.
And yeah, ugly as hell. On the 4 hour, not giving you nothing. And yeah, it's pretty much 100 pip range between this hour four level of resistance and this daily level of support.
Yeah.
So I mean, I pretty much had to drop down to the hour just to see anything. Um, but I caught one. Oh yeah, I got in at 98 over here.
That's hard.
Yeah,
Because
where?
in the range, there's only certain places that you want to take advantage. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It took me a while to realize it's bouncing, and then I saw this buyer's exhaustion up here, that huge big ass bullish, and
Yeah.
like I couldn't see anything on the four. The two was barely even giving me anything. I was like, all right, so it's kind of.
Yeah. It was just like block.
I give me a sec, yo. Give me like 2 seconds. Yo, give me a second. I'm about to. Yo, Pat, I'm gonna throw the key down. Yeah. My bad, yo. My homie stuck in the rain. I had to give him the key so he can get back in the building. Um, yeah, so the 2 hour wasn't even really giving me anything either. So the 1 hour was really like where I was looking for structure. You're absolutely right. Like it took me. I feel like you gotta react quicker once you realize like you're in this range
Yeah.
because like you don't really have enough. It's not gonna give you. I think I got like on one 15-minute candle. That shit just went crazy on me. I think this when I came out, I was all the way down to like 40.
Okay.
I got out after this candle, but like no real warning whatsoever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, so just the thought process, the 1 hour engulfing along with that requires exhaustion. It added a
Right.
level of resistance along with that 50% Fibonacci from the
Yeah.
higher time frame.
The edge is there though. You know what I'm saying? Like you already knew exactly where you wanted to attack at the highest level of the resistance.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? And try to catch it. Trying to make that lower hit in the bottom of that consolidation zone. So it's like your workflow is smooth as fuck, and like you got your highlight off the higher time frame that made the resistance. Then you got the moving average cross highlighted. Then you got your bearish variation highlighted. You know what I mean? Going
Yeah, I
in.
got in right. That's where I got in actually. That was I think this was my entry candle, the one I got in on. I saw this along with the one with a little bit more buyer's exhaustion. After the EMA cross, retesting that level or that supply demand zone once again. And yeah, I just took it down. But like I said, like it turned out to be kind of quick, right, with this candle. But like I figured, like once it's approaching that support, it's just gonna act a little crazy.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I got in. I mean, it was supposed it was down to like 53. I ended up getting out of like 70. I got like 28, 29 pips off of that one.
Nice little intraday.
And then I think yeah, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. And I mean, it's just what was there, what was available for me at this
Right.
time. I
And
feel.
that is like you trading now, like you trading what you see, you're not trading what you think. You know what I mean?
Mm, mm, like maybe it'll open up next week, and even at that point, I'm still not exactly sure,
Right.
cause
It looks like it's just in that same found point of resistance.
yeah, it came back and it's retesting it right now.
Yeah.
So I mean, this is that trend line's on what? It's on my 15 minute. This is my 30. Yeah, that level of resistance is on the 30. Um, but yeah, it looks like it's testing it right now. got a little once again buyers exhaustion, and even then, if we go back up to the higher time frames, still red over blue, still looking at that downtrend. Anything wrong? Get down to the 1 hour, 1 hour engulfing. It looks like it hasn't really made up its mind yet. It could still once again continue to rise all the way up to the end of this, to the top of my range, or it might be that time when it's actually ready to push through that daily level of support down there.
Right.
But I mean, still making lower highs, so I'm still looking for that downtrend, honestly. Um, yeah, and that's what I'm looking at for next week. I think there was another one I caught within that same. It was a slower one. I got back in here somewhere around here. Uh, yeah, I got into like 77, I think.
Yeah, entry had
Where was it?
I want to see like
Yeah, I think it was.
you got with that trend line. I want to see how momentum's gonna shift this week. Like if it's gonna shift that and uphold that resistance area. If it upholds that resistance area, go ahead and zoom out some, and then understanding. No, you don't got to change time frame. But like just understanding that like your highest resistance is where your initial entry was, where that purple zone is. So that's the highest resistance in that whole area. So if nothing's thinking about breaking that area, thank you, baby. If nothing's thinking about breaking that area, then it's just like you still know that we're still good for the downtrend.
Oh wow, yo, I didn't even. I'm not even looking that far. That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? Because
Hold on a second. Yeah,
that blue area is your whole major resistance area on that higher time frame. So it's like if disrespecting those lows,
yeah.
like that area that you got with that orange resistance, then it's just like you still know what
Over
you
here, right?
for that same type of move back down to that consolidation if you see, you know what I mean,
Yeah.
transition.
What are you doing, laptop? You going crazy right now?
All right, then you got that little support turn resist. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, this, like you said, yeah, it's my little. This is that zone right there. I can actually retrace all the way back up to here.
2 hour. Yeah, you see how it's forming. Okay, so it's wicking at the bottom and stuff like that. So it's still showing bullish momentum. You know what I'm saying? But
Hmm.
still gauging. You see what I'm saying? That shift because 9 times out of 10, just depending on how many buyers come in the market with market open and stuff, if it's on
Hmm.
top of that again, or it's just gonna respect that level. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But the way that candle closed, that 2 hour candle closed to end in the week, it just looks like still definitely buyers in the market. The way that it wicked at the bottom, but it's sellers coming into the market. You know what I mean? From that,
Mm.
because if you go to the left a little bit, right there, where all that wick is up there, all that
Yeah.
resistance. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's when the buyers try to push up and they just weren't strong enough.
Every time. So you see what I'm saying? So it's like that's what you could be looking for, some type of confluence around that H4 resistance level that you got right there.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
And just be mindful of like how your moving averages are looking on the not even on that time frame, but like just on your N15 because we already know where we're at in structure. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah. That was gonna. It's gonna take a minute for like the 1 hours, 4 hours.
But it's gonna happen right those time frames.
Yeah. 15 was already getting skinny.
Yeah,
13's looking like. I mean, the 30's looking like it wants to.
yeah. So we just gotta be mindful and just wait because it's not a clear break yet. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. For sure. For sure. It can still do whatever it wants within this little zone.
Exactly.
But I mean, it's not trying to time it or anything. On the day, it looks like it wants to do something.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just a matter of what.
exactly. And it's been consolidating there. Reason being is because you're at daily support, stuck between
Mm-hmm.
resistance, and you still got price respecting your daily moving average. You know what I'm saying? So it's still telling you that it's sellers in the market. It's just setting up for a higher time frame move. You
For
know,
sure. For sure.
for lower high points on that daily time frame. You know what I mean?
So, all right. Not too worried about that 4 hour just yet.
All right. See how it's slowing down?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just like I'll just have to
Okay.
be like, is it gonna make is that gonna be another little high point, or is it just gonna pull back some or they touch it? And if it starts to change, like she probably start to break that purple trend line that you got, and then like you start to see lower high points forming on that lower time frame, then you know what's about.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because if it's really gonna start to slow down, you're gonna see them H1 moving averages get tighter. It's gonna start to straighten out more. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Start slowing down a little bit before it. But yeah, man. Um, I'm looking good. Well, I mean, I feel like even like I see what you say about the time because I knew like all last week during those 4 hours, it was just opportunities that were there within that moment. Whether it's uptrend, downtrend, it was figure out where I'm at and just ride with it.
Right.
And yeah, I'm seeing it more. I'm seeing it more for sure.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
Uh,
How have you been feeling for like your lot size? Like you've been feeling comfortable with the lot sizes you've been using?
yeah. Was it the point fives for yeah, pretty much point fives. No, I'm sorry. I want to get up to the point fives. I've been doing like point twos, point threes.
Good though, right? Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I try honestly. I try and focus on the pip. Yeah, I try and look at like how much it's moved as opposed to the dollar amount beforehand.
Exactly.
Uh, I mean the dollar amount will change. Like I rather just when try and focus on how many pips I've gotten. But like it feels good so far. It doesn't feel like it's too. The point threes be a little scary. I ain't gonna front because then it really makes me sit there and actually see how confident and just double check those confirmations again. But I once I'm in and once I get a little momentum, I feel better.
Right. Yeah, bro. Like that's how I am too. It's like
Mm.
small with it, starting to get the momentum with it, starting to break even. You know what I mean? At least break even.
Hmm.
And
Like at that point, yeah, I'll be straight.
yeah, bro. At that point, like you said, it's about picks. You know what I'm saying? Like
Hmm.
if I catch these picks, if I got certain pick goal, like I said, every day that I'm hitting, whether it's 3 picks, 50, whatever, like, bro, niggas that hit that shit. You know what I'm saying? And then
Yeah,
that day, then I just roll it over to the next day type shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then I also be like, all right, if I take like 2 L's, then I know I need to chill. Just depending on risk management, everything like that. You know.
mm. Mm. Yeah. I got some. What was it? Revenge trading got me not last week, the week before last. Um, like I don't know. Like there was one that I swore I was right on. It just went the opposite way on me. And then I think that's what helped me figure out that it was ranging. Like at one point or another, it's like, what is it doing? Like I wasn't even really paying attention to the 1 hour. Like I was steady on the 4 hour, thinking it was about to make that big move, and just like every little which way, I was so sure on the first one, it pulled back on the second one, took out my stop. I thought I analyzed it one more time, and just hopped right back in instead of giving it a break, giving it some time to breathe, and got me again. I was like, but I don't know, just trying to be a little bit more patient with it. Yo, the book came in. The book came in, but I haven't been at the crib since like the day it came in. I'm gonna probably grab it tomorrow though.
Yeah. I mean, on that, bro. I'm telling you, that's gonna spark some shit.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, man. Like
Because I want niggas to read it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
I want niggas to read that because even if you skimming through certain chapters just trying to see to get what you need, that book got everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real. And that shit.
Okay. Yeah. For sure. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get to it as soon as I get back to the crib, either tonight or tomorrow morning. But yeah, definitely looking forward to checking it out.
Yeah.
So I think I'm good, yo.
Niggas is really hitting me about these pets.
Yeah.
We was talking about why I thought you was gonna put the it's like I thought you was gonna make a character. You know how he got like his currency geek.
Yeah.
Niggas talking about I thought you was gonna what's the name? I thought you was gonna do that. I'm like, nah, bro. Blue profit so everybody can, you know what I mean? Because it's I gotta be telling people it's a manifestation. You know what I mean? Like within itself, like you wearing blue profits, you thinking about closing out blue. You know what I mean? Everybody long term from that red to blue. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know that feeling, man. So it's like, what's up, bro? You know what I'm saying?
All blue profits, man, for sure. For sure.
You motherfuckers. Oh. All right, when you really, you know what I'm saying, rocking that joint and you know what I'm saying? Bro, that shit mean, bro. Real.
No blue.
All
Look
blue.
at that. Yeah, I feel you.
All blues, bro. I got the mask, but the mask, I gotta send them to get printed and all of that stuff. But bro, like I'm really about to straight trade in apparel, like everything for traders, like you know what I mean, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, you know what I'm saying, like all kind of sweats, like everybody gonna know, like, oh, he blue probably that nigga probably a trader, like you know what I'm saying, like
yeah, for sure.
Get to it, like you feel me, like real live.
I mean, might as well rap it, yo. This shit is changing my life.
And that's how I was looking at it. I'm like, damn, I'm repping brush shit every day. Like, man, I might as well put my own shit on. Like, give me some shit made. Like, you know, start putting shit in production because if I'm gonna be in this game for the long haul, it's like shit, bro. I want to have different streams and really connect with my group of people. You know what I'm saying? Like people that fuck with me and people that
for sure.
shit I do.
Yeah, man, for sure. I get that, yo.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Like, real. I'm just happy.
Like if you got those. Especially if you got those same few people coming back.
Yeah.
Over and over.
Like, or just new people, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to tap into, you know what I mean? I want the big name niggas being like, damn, Blue Profits, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I keep seeing that shit everywhere.
Yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying?
Blue Profits.
And niggas gonna know what that mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh yeah, Blue Profits, bro, it's about that trader, bro, like that global currency, you know what I'm saying? Like, we getting money from all over the world, you know what I'm saying? All currencies, bro.
For sure, man.
Yeah, bro. So how you feel overall about like your trading plan for this week and everything? Like, you know what I mean? Like we done talked about, you know, where UCAS at. You know, we talked about the edge of points being in consolidation. You know, so it's like you having your outlook on your pair, like what's your mind frame for this week and your days, like, you know what I mean?
Definitely. I think I hit 120 this week. I think I had like I averaged about 30 pips on 4 trades this week. But still gonna hit 200. I mean, I feel like this might be the week where it happens, yo. I feel like the last few weeks have definitely taught me a lot. But yeah, I feel like this is gonna be the week where that 200 happens. As far as expectations, no real expectations. Just kind of flowing with the market. Get taking what it gives me. I do hope it finally push forward as far as hopefully gives us some downward momentum. We could break this daily level of support and we could really see if things start popping or if things start moving what you can. But and all of that while keeping in mind that we can still retrace all the way back up to here. So yeah, man, just gonna take what it gives me. Like I feel if not like within the next day or two, like I am feeling like it's gonna make a move, man. Maybe retest this level of resistance one more time before it drops. But I
Yeah,
feel like a move is coming for sure.
yeah. I'm fucking with it, bro. Like I said, bro, this ain't nothing new, man. We've been putting in the grind, so you know what I mean.
Yeah, man, for sure, for sure.
Tweaking it and keeping shit going for you. That's all it's
E.
about. Little tweaks, little things. You know what I'm saying? Understanding where we gonna get our edge from
Mm-hmm.
with what the market is giving us, and then also, like I said, just trading what you see, like how you did. Like, okay, market gave me a double top. You know what I mean? Respected this time, this 4 hour resistance. I could take advantage of that. You know, I could catch at least 30 pips on a 4 hour move. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Like that's easy push. So
And like even then, just by recognizing that I was at that level of resistance, it allowed me to not really. I didn't have to leverage that much. I didn't have to risk that much at all.
at all, you know what I'm saying? And then
So I mean, like even if I was wrong, like it was like okay, like I'm not losing too much at all.
you'll still be able to trade again.
Yeah, for sure.
And like even like on some higher time frame analysis stuff, like even when you was in that trade, when you once you started seeing that 4 hour candle start to pull back, I definitely would have been out there.
Hmm.
The way it did when it started coming back down towards that support at the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, at the bottom.
Left. Yeah, like where you say you took your order from and you had closed out.
Yeah. So that was probably right
Yeah,
around here.
yeah. You see what I'm saying? But I'm saying in that other 4 hour candle, when it's once that shit started pulling back like that, I
Yeah.
closed out.
I feel you. Yeah, that's a lot of.
Because you already
Yeah.
know it's in that consolidation zone. So if you see that shit doing it like that, I would have been like, oh yeah, this shit probably gonna respect. You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
On a higher time frame.
You're right too. Cause I mean, all of this. Hold on, let me just so I can see it a little bit better. Does that even work? Yep, that's it right there. Uh, it's just those little signals. You're right.
Yeah.
Okay. Like I'm getting that. Just being more mindful of those like the little things that, just those the little details, how they play a part in the story too.
Hold on, I ain't hear that. What you say, bro?
Said, yeah, no, you're right. Just like those little details,
Yeah, bro.
how they play.
Like little shit like that will help save you. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Mhm.
you'll be like, all right, bet. Like, that shit pulling back like that, and it's already tested there once before. You know what I'm saying? It's like, all right, bet. Go ahead, close out.
Mhm.
See if it's gonna really test, respect this support. Cause then, you know what I mean? Like just being able to see that was respect and support. Things could have been had stupid signs to get out really.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
Sure. All right, man. My daily one more
Good.
time. Yeah, man. I think so. I
So,
think so, yo.
yeah, bro. We're gonna get active. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
I'm ready to see what you got. And yeah, just looking at how everything is forming, man, it's gonna take a lot of bullish pressure to break past H4 resistance and the daily resistance to test up there. But it's possible,
Yeah,
anything possible
for
with that.
sure.
But yeah, bro. Good session, bro. For real. We probably link back up Tuesday. We back on, so good. You know what I'm
Yeah, all right. That's perfect.
saying? Let me know what time work for you.
Yeah. I'll probably have a better idea tomorrow, but I'll link you and let you know.
Yeah, that's smooth.
All right, man. You take care.
All right, bro.
Appreciate you, fam.